When most immigrants think of looking for greener pastures, most of them will look for towards North America, like Canada, the United States, or Europe, the British Isles, like England, north of Ireland, or even parts of Europe, Asia sometimes, like Japan, China. But how many look for that prosperity in Africa? Welcome to Wake Up and Live. Um, Africa is a well kept secret. Most people don't realize that Africa is a booming region of the world. Countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal, the Gambia, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, South Africa. Those places are countries that have taken a turn for the better over the years. They now produce good GDP every year. They give good returns to people who want to invest. And the thing about immigrants, like for example Jamaicans, if you have some money to invest, West Africa in particular, I don't want to disparage East Africa or South Africa or Northern Africa, but I want to say though, what I know best, West Africa produces a great opportunity for people who want to invest. Now, I believe that relocating and investing in Africa should not just be the Rastaman's dream. Uh, it is a place that we can now look seriously for good returns on our money if we want to invest. Living and invest in Africa can actually give you such good returns on your money, you would be surprised. Many West African countries, for example, Nigeria and Ghana, are oil producing countries that are creating tons of good opportunities in the mining industry, in education, in housing, investment in land. Now, it is true though that there's some restrictions in those countries that sometimes turn off people or black people in the diaspora that wants to move there, because the truth is African countries that were once colonized by European countries are now very skittish about opening up immigration readily to people, to just anyone around the world, because they see themselves are as at-risk countries of people coming in and doing what might have been done years ago, which is colonizing. So they have certain restriction on immigration that can sometimes be a turnoff to black people in the diaspora. But for people coming from countries like Jamaica, which is Ghana is our ancestral home. There's some provisions in their constitution and laws that allows us to take advantage of some of the opportunities there. Don't just listen to me. Take a look. You know, go. Take a look. See, as they say. You might just very well be surprised. West Africa, Africa in general, is a hidden secret of prosperity going on in many, many, many of the countries there.